Okay.
Here's turn one here. So straight into this corner very fast. Pretty nice wide entry here. Very quick corner. Blind left-hander here. Pretty late on the brakes. Very, very tight entrance.
Yeah.
You have this right here. You gotta serve for this little corner.
Oh my God.
This is a very important corner. You want to stay really wide on the entry.
Yeah.
And it's the corner leading on the straightaway, so you want to go as quick as you can through there. So down the straightaway here, we'll go about 110. Into this brake right here. Very, very careful. Nice and wide. You want to use this yellow curving here. Double left hand, you want to stay nice and tight on the second one. You got this right hander right here. This next corner is fairly quick, but you want to be careful not to touch the inside curb because they'll send you into the wall. So you keep a few feet away from it. Nice wide exit. This corner is very nice here. All the way out to the exit. Tricky in a big car like this.
Yeah.
This one you want to be careful. The pavement changes pretty slick. Then it goes back to this pavement, which is nice and grippy. Open this crest flat out. Nice wide entry again. Careful, I'm gonna do a little cool down lap so don't get mad at me. Everyone's gonna catch me. This again, 3 years, pretty quick.